Today, we're diving into another important type of market segmentation. Behavioral segmentation, which looks at what people do instead of just who they are. We'll define behavioral segmentation in simple terms. Explain why marketers use it. Go through 9 common variables with real-world examples so it's easy to remember. Whether you're a marketing student, entrepreneur, or just curious, this will help you see how brands really watch customer behavior to create targeted strategies. Let's get started. So what exactly is behavioral segmentation? In simple words, it's when marketers group customers based on their actions, like what they buy, how often, why they buy it, when they buy, or how loyal they are. Instead of focusing on demographics like age or gender, or psychographics like lifestyle and values, this approach looks directly at observable behaviors. Why is it important? Because what people do often tells you more about what they'll do next, which helps brands design offers, products, and ads that fit real needs. Behavioral segmentation includes several variables. Today, we'll look at these 9 key ones: benefits sought, purchase behavior, usage, intent, occasion, buyer stage, user status, life cycle stage, engagement. We'll go through each, define it in simple terms, and add clear examples. Variable 1. Benefits sought. Definition: grouping customers based on the specific benefits or value they look for in a product. Example: think about toothpaste. Some customers choose it mainly for whitening, others pick cavity protection, others prefer fresh breath. These groups buy the same type of product but for different reasons, and brands make specific products and ads for each benefit segment. Another example: a smartphone brand might segment users who want the best camera, others who want long battery life, and some who care most about affordable price. Variable 2. Purchase behavior. Definition: segmenting people by how they buy, what they buy, or how often they buy. Example: customers who always buy during sales versus those who buy as soon as a new product launches. People who buy single items versus people who buy in bulk. Retailers might target bulk buyers with family pack offers, while early adopters might get exclusive pre-order emails. It's about matching marketing strategies to different purchase habits. Variable 3. Usage. Definition: segmenting based on how frequently or how much customers use a product. Common segments: heavy users, medium users, light users. Example: coffee shops often create loyalty cards for heavy users who come daily. Streaming platforms recommend family plans to households with high usage. Brands may also make smaller, trial-sized products for light users who are still exploring. Usage segmentation helps brands allocate marketing budgets to the most valuable groups. Variable 4. Intent. Definition: segmenting by what customers plan or intend to buy in the future. Example: e-commerce sites often track browsing behavior. If you visit a page for running shoes multiple times, your purchase intent is high. These sites then show you ads, special discounts, or email reminders to encourage you to buy. Intent data helps brands focus on users who are actively considering a purchase. Variable 5. Occasion. Definition: segmenting customers based on when they buy or use a product, like special occasions, seasons, or times of day. Example: chocolate brands sell special packaging for Valentine's Day. Restaurants offer breakfast menus in the morning and dinner menus in the evening. Travel agencies promote packages for summer holidays. By recognizing purchase occasions, brands create timely promotions and limited editions. Variable 6. Buyer stage. Definition: segmenting based on where customers are in the buying journey. Awareness, consideration, decision. Example: a software company. People in the awareness stage might see blog posts or educational videos. In consideration, they might be offered webinars or product demos. In decision, they might get free trials or special discounts. Tailoring content and offers to the buyer stage increases conversion rates. Variable 7. User status. Definition: segmenting customers as non-users, potential users, first-time users, regular users, ex-users. Example: a music streaming service might target non-users with ads about benefits. Welcome first-time users with a tutorial. Offer discounts to win back ex-users. Each group needs a different marketing message. Variable 8. Life cycle stage. Definition: Segmenting based on major life changes. Students, newlyweds, new parents, retirees. Example, baby brands target new parents. Banks offer special loans for recent graduates. Travel agencies offer cruise packages for retirees. Life changes often come with new buying needs. Variable. 9. Engagement. Definition, segmenting by how customers interact with a brand, such as liking, sharing, reviewing, or attending events. Example, highly engaged fans might get VIP access or special discounts. Less engaged users might get reminder emails to re-engage. Engagement data helps brands nurture loyal customers and activate passive ones. Part 3. Why behavioral segmentation matters. Behavioral segmentation is powerful because it's based on real actions, not just assumptions. Benefits include more personalized marketing, better allocation of ad budgets, higher customer loyalty, new product ideas based on customer needs. It helps brands focus on what people actually do, which is often the best predictor of what they'll do next. To wrap up, behavioral segmentation groups, customers by benefits sought, purchase behavior, usage, intent, occasion, buyer stage, user status, life cycle stage, engagement. By understanding these, marketers can create campaigns that really click with different customer groups. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand marketing lessons.